Suffering from varicose veins? Are you searching for the best solution? Right, you've reached us. If you're suffering from varicose veins and somebody has advised you to wear stockings, this is the time where you have to get the treatment done. We have multiple solutions like endovenous radiofrequency ablation, endovenous microwave ablation, and endovenous glue therapy. With all these techniques, with a small puncture, we enter into these faulty veins, we burn them and come out. We also add foam sclerotherapy to it so that entire varicose veins are taken care. And by glue therapy, you did not even wear stockings. Yes, you have heard right. After glue therapy, you can get rid of varicose veins and even stockings. But other ablative techniques like endovenous radiofrequency ablation and microwave ablation, you have to wear stockings for a certain time. And if you want to know more, please contact us.